Hi, I'm Mark James. I'm a lecturer, consultant, and course creator specializing in AI and professional education. Over the last decade, I've developed and delivered popular AI courses for professionals. I work on making AI accessible, practical, and teaching you that critical lens that you need to be able to think for yourself as new developments happen in AI. This course is for the information worker. Any professional who wants to understand AI without needing the technical details, but wants to be able to have a sense of what's actually happening and how to think about it. So whether you're working in HR, marketing, finance operations, AI is already shaping the way that you work and how work gets done. But right now, most people don't know how to think about it, what to do with it, where to even start. So this course gives you that starting point. It's about building confidence. If you're hearing a lot about AI, and you probably have been over the last couple of years, and you're wondering, what does this mean for me? This course will help you figure that out. I like to think of it as the broken elevator scenario. So imagine you're in a broken elevator for 30 minutes with a colleague who happens to be an expert in AI. Could you have an intelligent conversation with that person? And by the end of this course, you'll be able to have the terminology, you'll be able to have the understanding, you'll be able to ask the right questions, you'll be able to spot all of the things that are really the failures of people's integration of AI into their work and their organizations. You'll be able to make smarter decisions about when and how to use AI in your work. That's the real takeaway, that level of literacy to be able to have that conversation and be able to think for yourself and think critically. I've been teaching this course for a long time, and I've been teaching it to information workers like yourself. It's not a technical course, it's not a course for coders or engineers. If there's jargon, we play around with it. Where we can, we'll use plain language. It's very much a playground. We learn about AI through play, reflection, open conversation, focusing on critical thinking. And you won't be learning alone. I'm very strong about building a community of practice in every class that I'm in. So you'll be part of a peer community, you'll be sharing insights, you'll be learning from each other, and you'll be building your confidence together. For me, it's when someone says, I didn't know how little I knew until I did this course. For me, that's the magic. Also, I love the community aspect of it. Every group brings its own energy, its own mix of experience. I've been teaching this course now for over a decade. And even I learn something new every day from every cohort. I love creating a space where people can ask the real questions and not just the safe ones, and really dig into things, think critically. That's what excites me. AI is everywhere. It's in your tools, your workflows, it's even in your inbox. AI is already changing how work gets done in every industry at every level. If you don't understand how AI works, you're at a disadvantage. But if you do, even just the basics, you get to ask better questions, make better choices, and you get to lead with confidence. Learning about AI now, particularly now, puts you ahead of the curve. I'd say this course doesn't assume anything. Some of you are going to be coming from a level of maybe having some AI knowledge or being more technical with computers in general. Some of you will be coming to this with no knowledge about AI at all. Perhaps you have very little knowledge about computers, and many will be in between. That's all fine. You don't need to be technical. You don't need to be confident yet. That's what this course is for. It gives you a safe space to learn, to ask questions, to try things out without pressure. It's playful, it's discussion-based, and you'll be surrounded by others trying to figure this out too. If you're unsure, that means this course is probably exactly right for you.
Design a better future with the Digital Learning Institute.